Many people ask how to create a browser. In this video, I covered this topic. I will create 3 different search engines: Google, Microsoft Bing, and also Brave. So after watching this video, you will learn how to create a simple browser, how to create browser with different search engines. So please stay with me. Let's continue to the topic. The only thing or the first thing you have to do, create a simple project like me. You can see there's main activity.line and a simple activity main.xml file. And the manifest, I will create a permission. Uses permission of internet, you can see. So I will close the tag and close the manifest file. Now let's create a layout file. Right click on the layout, click on new. Right click on the layout, click on new, and then click on layout resource file. So I will make a name for that. Select search engine layout. So here we make a layout to let the user select the engine or select the search engine. So padding of the constraint layout will be 5 dp. After this, follow the code what I'm writing until the file is ready. At the last, you can see I will change the name of this to Brave. Now you can see that our layout selects a search engine layout is ready. Now let's hit to the activity main.xml. And the activity main.xml, we need to create a web view with the match parent and match parent. And the ID of this web view will be simply web view. And the cart line file main activity.kt, we need to create a few things. The first one, private left-handed variable Webview. So we will declare a Webview here, and then Webview, and then private variable search int. We will use it later. It is equal to 1, and let's create a method here. Private font show dialog. So val dialog is equal to dialog. The context is this. Import the dialog. Okay. Dialog dot request window feature, window dot feature no title bar. So dialog dot set cancelable false, and dialog dot set content view, or dot layout dot the layout we created before, select search engine layout dot xml. So, and then we need to declare and initialize the what's inside the layout. Val Google is equal to, so Google is we need to make it as linear layout as we did. So val Google linear layout is equal to dialog.find view by id r.id.google linear. So val Bing and val Brave. I will also change the find view, the IDs of them, Google linear, Bing linear, and Brave linear. So let's set on click listeners for them. Google.set click on listener. Search int will equal to 1, and dialog.cancel. So for now we don't need anything, and let's see the other ones. At last we will show the dialog. Dialog.show at last. Dialog.show. So this method is currently finished. Let's create another one. Private font load search engine, or load our browser's main data. Okay, so webview.find view by id r.id.webview, and webview client is equal to webview client, and when search int is 1, when search int is 1, so webview.load url https, so generally like google.com, www.google.com as a browser normally. To support backpress feature in our browser, like other browsers, we need to make a method here. As on backpress method is deprecated, but I already made another video on this, so you can watch that on the YouTube. So if webview dot can go back, it means if we can go back, then webview dot go back, else super dot on backpress. Okay, so I think the code is finished. Let's run the project and check out what will happen. While running the project, we got a bug, so let's solve it. You can see the problem is here. Webview is equal to find view by ID, but it was a little bit wrong. So let's run the project again. As you can see, when we open the application, you can see a dialog. Here we select a search engine. So I will select brave.com. So it loads Google. So there is another bug here. After searching, you can see the bug is here. Search int 1 2 3. So let's run the project again. I think everything will be all right now. Thanks for watching the video. If you have any problem, you can comment me in the comment section. Goodbye.